other day I bet I resurrected.
Oh, damn, Saint. Guess we got another one.
At first it was a vodka, I still remember, he still plugged in. That was middle school, 7th grade, before it was a trend. Now that shit a trend. Bust a P down, it's gon' take about 20 minutes. Try to burn it off, for an hour, then we gon' get the business. Pussy naked with it, I'ma make him go pay God a visit. Permanent stay, we moving south, we ain't tryna leave a witness. Give me a day and a half and watch the pound diminish. I might drop out of school to get all in it. You can't knock me off my groove, I always stay on pivot. Ain't no shot to the big hit me. They ask me why I'm pop out, cup it, I'm a minute. He survived a headshot, but he got dementia. The chill, I been out the way getting cheated, I ain't forget you. Stranger coming to the you, I'm like, who sent you? Might be true, hell yeah, I don't know. They tryna recon my nigga kid, they finna send him up the road. Pound full of Zal, I'ma charge you 24. He said front him 2 P's, cause he gon' bring back 44. For sure. Yeah, sell that bitch whole, but if I bust that bitch now, I'ma bring back 6 more. It's that perk talk, just pay the beat, yeah, then I'ma go. I wanna be that I won't be able to let go. Nowadays you out of luck, cause all these bitches hold. My nigga is you my friend, my nigga is you my foe. They let me know, try, just to let me know. I been pimpin' creek, might need to go down 6 feet. I been clearing weeds, going ham all week. Being in these streets, being put on cleats, nigga. Yeah.